having the same uh, color with these icons. Then for the write-ups, they can be this dark, and that's just what it's supposed to be. So the gap from here to here and here to here is the same. So I believe you have learned it now. Then before we round up, if you observe our navigation bar here, there is only the home that is shining. All the other ones are not supposed to shine. So let's make it that same way. We go back to your navigation bar to find their name. Look at it. Navigation bar to the LI. So let's find in look at him. The LI has this kind of color. No problem. But that should be only when it is hovered on. So on hover, you put that event on hover. On hover, this background color should have effect. If not, it should not have any background color. So look at it, it is working. It's working. And then here you will notice that this is very slim that it is touching the edge. This one is having very big border underneath. So let's reduce the height of the navigation bar. So we will need to find the navigation bar, and then this is the main holder of the navigation bar. We'll call it the head. So we'll find the head, at the head here, and we tell him that your height should be around that kind 10 pixels. Let's see, it is very tiny. Yeah, so let's make it something like 30 pixel. It's coming up, so we can increase to 115 pixel. It's too much. You can go back to 95 pixel. 95 is too much. We want something that will not give us the 75 border. So we can go back to 65. 65 is too small, so let's come to 75. Yeah, 75 is a little bit exact, just that we need to drop small, like 74 will give us exact measurement. So that's it, that gives us exact measurement. So but at the same time, you will also observe that the margin height here is not showing. But I don't know, give attention to all those details for now. Because of this logo that this is not is touching the edge. If you want to work on it, you need to use margin minus negative margin calibration, and it will climb up. So you can reduce the logo, and then it will take effect. Like the logo right now has this controller, and then the color for him, the width for him is this. So let's make it 15 and see what will happen. The logo is smaller now. So being smaller, we can jack navigation bar upwards and see what will happen. So we call it the header. So margin top for him minus 10 pixels. Watch what will happen now. I've jacked him upwards. So let's jack him up again. Minus 15 pixels. I've jacked him so well that it is now flushing very clearly. The logo is being cut, so we can bring the logo down. Can bring him down, but we need to change his status. He's not going to be on a static mode anymore. Can make it to be on absolute so that it can hover down and not be caught. But that's the story for another day. I believe you have questions after watching this. You can ask your questions on our website. Let us know how to assist you further, and then get prepared for more design. We'll be designing more features with Figma, and we'll come back to VS Code to code them up. Where we are heading to right now is on working with the Figma to design a simple self-explanatory web page, a web page that is going to be responsive. It's going to be responsive in the sense that it will have a mobile view, it will also have a desktop view. So, and we'll also be design a form. We'll use Figma to design the form. The form will have a desktop view. We also have a mobile view, mobile responsiveness in our design. So, and so many other features will be unfolding in this tutorial. Stay seated and enjoy the class. Thank you.